Good morning from the good ship Lollipop.
Alright guys, how you doing? We are over here picking up our load. The girl has just gotten a restart. Didn't see that coming now, did we? But she got one. I, on the other hand, have to wait 5 more hours. But I assume that I'll still be here in 5 hours. I figure our load will actually cancel. They'll throw us $400 for sitting here all day, whatever. But it might go. What do you think? Will you flip me for it?
Well, I don't have to flip you. All I gotta do is wait and you'll fall over on your back, and then I can just leave you lay there. Is that kind of flipping you?
You're already trying to... You're figuring I'm going to be harmed again, aren't you?
I'm not the one that pushes you. You just randomly fall over and hold on to your little elastic rope for dear life that's doing you no good. You didn't even try and climb the rope to get yourself back up. You just sit there.
I was having spasms as soon as I hit the ground. With all the back injuries I've had, certain positions will automatically throw me into spasms. Don't judge. The load we're picking up is supposed to go 73 miles. Ain't that crazy?
We'll either get it or we won't. Whichever's okay by me.
It's well worth the wait. You know, there's a couple of trucks in front of us. They threw us this little bone. I guess that's what the guy said. He was like, "Hey, you want to do this short load?" I was like, "Okay, I'll do the short load." Now I don't know how these trucks got here in front of us, though. I don't know where they came from. If they dead-headed all of us in from the outskirts of the world, it's just kind of silly to be here.
For all of us to be sitting here.
Yeah. Now, our appointment was at noon, so if we sit here till noon tomorrow, though, we still get... Right? Can't complain about that.
Well, if they do that, they'll cancel today's load and redispatch us on tomorrow's load.
Yeah, but if it's tomorrow, then we'll still get out. Right? Ain't nobody gonna call us now. Not this time. I wish they just throw a load back, going back to Renton on us, and we just head on back to Renton. Oh yeah, that would be good. I ain't going down that dirt road no more. I told the girl, stay off the dirt road. We're gonna go around and just stay on the highway until they get that road fixed. No more 212.
It's horrible.
Eric, you can drive on 212. We ain't going. It's mud.
Yeah, it's mud. It's like clay mud. And it gets all over everything, and even when it rains on it don't come off.
No. Nope, it don't come off. Diet food. Can you believe it? Who would have ever thought that? Pork rinds, diet food.
I had a whole bag of these last week in one night, and I still lost.
She shouldn't have done that. There wasn't any left for me in the next morning. I woke up and I was scrounging around the bottom of the bags, and all I had was a little crumbly stuck to my fingers. I was starving.
You should have put them in your mouth instead of snorting them up your nose.
A lot of things go up people's noses. Not mine, but a lot of people. Oh, you look so happy killing that pork rind. Just look at you. Chomped.
Who would have thought pig skins would taste so good?
Pigs will eat anything, including each other.
I don't want to think about this pig eating other pigs.
Why not? Cannibalism in the world is real. What? What?
You just don't want me to eat them so you can have them, though.
I've got cheese and pepperonis back there. I'm getting hungry. We've been here all day. And yes, we went to McDonald's and had a piece of meat. And what else did we? What was on our piece of meat?
We had a quarter pounder deluxe with no bun and no ketchup.
Right, that's what it was. But a quarter pounder is just not made for men. We need like a pound.
Actually, if you go to them places and get like a Whopper Junior or even a Whopper, the meat on it is not that much. Everybody's just used to eating the bread, and it's this big monstrous piece of bread, and it's a messy sandwich. But if you get it without the bread, it's not that much.
Hey, I've got some cold trout in the refrigerator. I forgot I had that.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Would you like a snip of some trout?
We better have some.
Let's have some trout. All right, we're gonna get all crazy and eat some trout now, without the fixings. All right, we'll see y'all later. Look, guys, I got dinner. It's a piece of smoked fish. How about that? Needs crackers.
You can have a piece of
peppery.
cheese with it.
It's wild caught trout. I didn't catch it. The people up in Washington did. It's pretty good though, in a strange way. That needs something to go with it. What do you think it needs? Potatoes. Baby potatoes.
Salt. Crackers.
So, can't have crackers.
I know. I need some salt.
Alright. Some of this stuff just isn't satisfying. And some of it is.
It's fish. We're in the middle of nowhere. You've got fish. Just be glad you got some fish.
I'm about ready to leave and go get me a piece of meat. Alright. Now that's an England driver that's got it going on. He has a tomato plant.